Hey team, how are you? It's me, Charita Jones, checking in. Wanted to stop by and say hello. Hope you guys are having a super fantastic day today. Yay! Welcome to everybody that's new to the team. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So glad to have you all. Congratulations to everybody who's new to our team. Congratulations to everybody who's recruiting, who's sponsoring, who's adding new team members. Congratulations to everybody who's already active in April. Congratulations to everybody who's already hit $500 in sales. Great job, everybody. Just wanted to let you know that I'm here to help you every step of the way. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to help you any way that I can, but I want to stop by and just say hello. Great job on rocking out your April so far, guys. Hashtag active in April. And great job on doing all you can, guys, to earn. Keep growing, keep going, keep growing. With the incentive, guys. So I'm just so proud of each and every one of you guys. Remember to go into the workstation, check your incentive tab. That's where you will hear and you will see all of the details, guys, in regards to everything that you need to know about earning the incentive level 1, level 2, and level 3, guys, and top 50 for anybody who earns it, guys, to be able to earn you an all expense paid trip for 2 to wherever Scentsy chooses to announce it, guys. So don't want to take up too much of your time. Just wanted to come by and say hello, and I will chat with you guys soon. I love you all. Thank you so much for all that you do. You are amazing, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a good day, guys. Love you all so much. Bye.